Take control of your content with Fision TV Plus. Pause, rewind, or fast forward live television. You can even rewind a program already in progress that you just tuned into with Replay TV. Press the play button on your remote's viewing controls to pause live TV. Press play again to resume watching TV. When pausing live TV, you will see a green bar and on-screen viewing controls. This green segment is called the live window and shows the last 30 minutes on all live TV channels, even if you're just tuning in to that channel. The thick white line marks your current point in time. When the white line is back in the green segment, you're behind the live point. You can rewind and fast forward up to 3 speed settings. Press play to resume watching. You can also use the on-screen advance or replay buttons to quickly jump forward or backward in time, or hit those same buttons at any time on your remote. To go back to the beginning of the program, hit the Start Over button or long press the Replay button on your remote. You can also jump back to the live point by long pressing the Advance button. Go back in time up to 48 hours with Replay TV. Tune to any Replay TV channel and press the Rewind button to go back in time and view previously aired programming. Or if you'd like to start from the beginning of the program, press the Guide button on your remote and find the content you want to watch. As you're scrolling through the guide, you'll find programs indicated as Replay TV content with this green arrow. Once selected, press the OK button to display the viewing options. Select Watch Now from Replay TV to begin watching your program. Once you've started watching, you can use the same viewing controls just as you did with live TV. Please note that some networks do not allow fast forward on Replay TV content. Remember that not all channels can replay TV content, and that programs or channels with this red icon cannot be recorded. For more information, visit our help section online to learn more about your Fision TV Plus.